new 2026 Honda HR-V stands proud in a soft off-white chrome body, reflecting light across its sculpted front. The grille glimmers, drawing the eye to its sleek emblem while the headlights breathe sophistication and quiet power. You can almost feel the balance between confidence and calm in every smooth line. Light dances over the curves, showing the artistry behind its design and strength beneath its surface. Every reflection whispers, "This is modern motion turned into style." From the rear, the HR-V's stance feels bold yet graceful. Chrome accents mirror the white marble floor, while sharp taillights slice through the soft glow of the showroom. It's a blend of sport and elegance, each detail tuned to perfection. The lines wrap around the body in quiet precision, promising energy the moment those wheels turn. Everything behind you reminds you how far the design philosophy has come. Full side profile, streamlined, balanced, composed. The off-white chrome finish glows like silk under the reflections of the room. From nose to tail, the silhouette shows flow and motion, even while standing still. Its presence is subtle but confident, engineered to turn space into elegance. You can sense how the geometry meets grace, giving practicality a pulse of personality. Viewed from 3/4 up front, the HR-V seems ready to leap forward. The contours stretch toward the light, drawing attention to the muscular hood and aerodynamic stance. Reflections slide down the body like liquid metal. The shape feels alive, engineered not only for travel but for admiration. It's the kind of design that looks fast even when you're parked, and that's exactly the point. Viewed from 3/4 up front, the HR-V seems ready to leap forward. The contours stretch toward the light, drawing attention to the muscular hood and aerodynamic stance. Reflections slide down the body like liquid metal. The shape feels alive, engineered not only for travel but for admiration. It's the kind of design that looks fast even when you're parked, and that's exactly the point. Step inside and the cabin greets you with calm precision. Every control surface feels sculpted to your fingertips. Soft leather tones contrast polished metal highlights, reflecting soft white light through the glass. The air feels clean and purposeful, the kind that makes any drive feel like a private retreat. Its comfort elevated by geometry and solid craftsmanship, a space that keeps you centered. Lift the hood and the story shifts from elegance to capability. The engine bay reveals a marvel of engineering, metal gleaming with quiet confidence. Each component tells of performance refined rather than forced. You can almost hear the heartbeat of efficient power ready to move when called upon. Precision and reliability merge here into one calm strength. Focus on the wheels and you see the foundation of that confidence. The alloys catch light like sculpture, while the tires show deep, ready traction. It's not just design, it's intention on display. Every detail echoes stability and readiness, right down to the way reflections glide across the rim. You feel the commitment to both beauty and motion. At the front, the headlights capture attention, high-tech artistry framed in pure clarity. Each segment glows like thought made visible. When illuminated, they bring the car to life, transforming reflections into energy. You see the intelligence of design and the promise of illumination that guides night streets with grace. At the back, the taillights shine sharp against chrome curves, a signature left on every road behind. Red light threads along the liftgate line like a precise brushstroke in glass. The harmony between metallic finish and glowing edges adds quiet drama. Even at rest, it communicates motion, refined, poised, unmistakably modern. From above, the HR-V reveals its form as a single fluent piece of design. Roof, hood, and contours flow together like a crafted sculpture of efficiency. The symmetry is soothing. The reflections make the car seem weightless inside the airy white showroom. Seen from this height, it's more than a machine. It's design turned into experience, a story of motion told through light and precision.